Hey guys, welcome back to Bangin Gears, the YouTube channel about everything automotive. I'm Frank, and in this episode, we're going to announce the winners of all the Bangin Gears giveaway videos I took during the Endless Summer Cruisin event. So stick around. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know how thankful I am that you guys keep coming back and watching my videos over and over. The Endless Summer videos and the Cruisin Ocean City videos are by far my most watched videos I create on my channel. You guys keep coming back, you're showing your support, and I want you to know how much I appreciate it. You have no idea how much it means to me. For those new subscribers, hopefully you're not here just to win free stuff, but hopefully you stick around, keep watching. I have a couple shows coming up next week. I have a one-off of a car I filmed while I was in Ocean City. I don't want to let that out yet, but we'll keep that under secret, but that video will be coming out in a few weeks as well. But I just want you to know that how grateful I am. Just a reminder real quick. If you don't win today, and you would like to support the channel, you could always go to my Teespring store, which is my merchandise store, and purchase your own Bangin Gears stuff. I have the COVID masks there, and I have other things there, like this Bangin Gears sweatshirt that says real cars don't shift themselves, and it's got the Bangin Gears logo under the hood. So I have different designs, different logos, different patterns, short sleeve, long sleeve tees, sweatshirt, hoodies, tank tops, anything you could think of is on that channel. And all those proceeds go back into my channel to buy new software, hardware, things like that, help support, keep the channel going. So without any further ado, let's get to the winners. View number one was for a Bangin Gears baseball cap and a Bangin Gears COVID mask with the logo on it. So let's see who wins that. And spin, spin, spin. And the winner is, we had 26 entries in there as well, actually. So the winner is, okay, how you say it, is Schmedikin Goddess Shelley Courtney. I apologize. I don't know that first word, but congratulations to you. You won the Bangin Gears hat and the Bangin Gears COVID mask. Video number 2 was for again, Bangin Gears COVID mask and a fleece. This is the women's fleece. The women's fleece. With the Bangin Gears on the back. And the men's fleece was a little bit different material this year because they kind of messed up at the embroiderer. But it's got the logo on it there and the logo on it in the back. And it's got pockets. The winner of that was, let's see here, spin spin, winner is David Dorset. David Dorset is the winner of the Bangin Gears COVID mask and the men's fleece, obviously. Thank you very much. Congratulations to you, David Dorset. Okay, now on to video number 3, which was for, again, the baseball cap and the Bangin Gears COVID mask. And the winner of video number 3 is spinning, spinning, spinning. We have 30 entries in that one as well. Wow. Winner is Wesley Cater. Wesley Cater wins the baseball cap and the Bangin Gears COVID mask. I have it upside down. Bangin Gears COVID mask. Congratulations, Wesley Cater. Video number 4 was for again, the mask, the COVID-19 Bangin Gears mask, and the fleece. And let's see who it is. Spin. Spin, 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 spin. We had 20 entries in this one. This was the least of our entries. The winner of the fleece and the mask is Valerie Whip. Valerie Whip, congratulations. Congratulations to all the winners of the Endless Summer Bangin Gears gear giveaway videos. I appreciate your support. Hopefully you all stick around and watch more videos as I make them. And that's it. Enjoy your fall. Be safe. Stay healthy. And we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.